Hey, what's going on, BCS Army? It's Justin from Blue Collar Survival, and today I will be starting a new tag. The tag I will be doing today will be the top 3 knife pet peeves. And what I mean by pet peeves isn't like clones. That's not what I mean. Not like that. Everybody hates clones. Clones isn't what I'm talking about. It's more of something about a knife that just kind of drives you crazy. I'll give my 3 pet peeves, see if you guys kind of get the gist of it. I am going to tag 4 people to get this thing rolling. I'm going to tag Big Red EDC, Woodland Tactical, Grateful Panic, and Jack Farm Boy are going to be the 4 that I'm going to tag. And this is an open tag too, so if you want to do a video, go ahead, do a video on it. If you don't have a YouTube channel, throw some comments down below. Let me know what your pet peeves are. So my first pet peeve will be, I had to really dig for this because I don't have any, because it's something that drives me crazy, and it's when the thumb stud is in the cutting path. That just drives me nuts. Like I said, I do not have any knives that have that. I had to pull out this cheap Ozark Trail that I still had packaged up. But I'll show you some examples of some good. The Ontario Rat was spot on. It's nowhere near in the cutting path, so I really like that. This is another Ontario out of the cutting path. CRKT Drifter. It's a little bit in there, but not too terribly bad. Plus, it's on the serrations, and this isn't sharpened anyway, so it's technically would be out of the cutting path. And my Benchmade with just a little bit over, so I don't know, it's something that drives me crazy. I have had some knives in the past where the thumb stud was really in there. I think it's CRKT makes one that's got that really big thumb stud, and I think that would drive me nuts. So that's my first pet peeve. My second pet peeve is jimping. Jimping, there is so many useless jimping out there. I guess I didn't even really, yeah, here's one. The Kershaw needs work. It's smooth as can be. It doesn't bite into my finger whatsoever. Very good example would be the Ontario Rat. This thing's 2 categories. That jimping really does bite in right there the way they did it. It's quite aggressive, but not terribly bad. You also can get with the really super aggressive, where your finger really gets down in there, like this custom PHL knife I have. And these guys also do it very well, and this is a very fine jimping, but it has a good bite, plus with that ramp. But even if it wasn't for that ramp, it still bites in. So I mean, you got your different levels of jimping. You can go from fine to aggressive to straight up biting in your fingers to get it. So that would be my second pet peeve. I mean, a lot of people know I complain about jimping a lot on knives. I hate when you get a knife and it's such a nice knife, and then you're like, what is this jimping? This stuff is garbage. The steel wheel modus is another one. There's nothing. I mean, look how little they are. Really drives me crazy. And my third pet peeve is going to be pocket clip design. I'm always a pocket clip snob, but this is a pocket clip design that you just get and you're like, what is that? This is a wretched, wretched pocket clip design. I love the knife, but that is a wretched. They have a couple of them. Another one from Kershaw. Absolutely awful pocket clip design. Now, they don't all have to be deep carry or nothing. Spyderco does a fine job with their pocket clip. I mean, there is a lot that sticks out with this knife, but it's a fine job on it. Also, just a normal pocket clip on there. You know, just simple, good designs. Kershaw's got 2. I had other ones, and I seem to have misplaced them, but you guys get the gist. So, pocket clip design. Pocket clips in general, I would say, pet peeve. I just get so angry with a lot of them. Only either they give you just right side carry, or they'll just do one position, or I don't know. I would love it if you could figure a way for all knives to have 4 positions, but at least left and right. There's a lot of times it doesn't have left and right, so I'm just going to say pocket clips are a lot of times my pet peeves. We'll say it like that. You know, other guys, if you want, you could be like blade steel, or, you know, blade steel is not a big deal to me. because I sharpen knives, so that's not an issue. If I dull my knife, I'll just sharpen it up real quick. But yeah, I'm going to tag those 4 guys. I want to see what they can come up with, especially since they're slip joint guys. I feel like the slip joint guys will have some a little bit more to say, especially with the walk and talk and stuff like that comes along with the slip joints. So, alright guys, that's all I got for this tag. I'm really interested to see how this can turn out. I struggled a little bit trying to figure out my 3 pet peeves. Well, at least a third one, so I'm really interested to see what you guys come out with. Alright everybody, it's Justin from Blue Collar Survival. You guys stay safe.